Hey dolls, my name is Leah and welcome back to my channel. I post girly pink YouTube videos, so if you want to become part of my pink glitter world, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. I also have Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. If you want to follow me, all my social media will be linked down below. So to start off this video, I'm so excited because you know how girly I am. I am obsessed secretly with like luxury products, luxury bags, anything like that. It like melts my heart. Like, this is kind of designer, I guess, but it's Guess, but is a knockoff. This is like very bling glam earrings, but they're all under like $30. This is my pink girly bag. So I actually forget how I got in touch with these girls. Now their Instagram name is right here. Luxury handbags, and it's luxury with 3 Ys handbags. They have 5,000 followers, so they are actually legit because I just got my little package. So I ordered, I'm obsessed with that, like I think it's called the Neverfull. I honestly, like, I'm bougie on a budget. I don't really follow luxury brands, but I'm obsessed with that Louis Vuitton pink edition of the white Neverfull. I think I'm saying that right. If not, then I'm just looking like a complete idiot. So this girl's name is Alyssa, and she actually has amazing customer service skills. 10 out of 10. I am in love with all their products. They do like, you know, they are supplied by someone and then they reach out to people on Instagram and they just sell all these, I guess, like look-alike bags. But let me tell you, this bag is so cute. Online I saw it and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have a bag addiction that I'm starting. I need to stop because clearly when I go to work I have a clear bag, so I can't even like bring this to work. But this is going to be an unboxing video. I'm so excited to see this. I've been waiting for a couple days. It is, I just got it today. Today's February 3rd. And I ordered it, I think, I want to say a week ago. Alright, so the first thing that you see when you open it is this dust bag. Where's the front? Here it is. Here's a little sneak peek. So it's very professional and it's not second hand because I could tell this is new. I'm so excited, guys. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This bag is huge. I could fit a baby in here. Oh my gosh. And the Barbie pink interior is to die for. Guys, I love this. This is gonna be my new go-to bag everywhere I go. I do have to stuff it because it might lose its shape and I'm kind of worried about that. But look at this design. I love this design. It's just very cute. I love this design. And I don't care if you guys don't like it because I love it. I've seen a lot of like weird posts where people are saying like whoever uses this design are like fake Louis Vuitton people. Like, okay, I get it. I know. I just love this design. So the bag is huge. I don't even know that. So the bag is honestly like so gorgeous. It's 2 feet like wide, I feel like, and 1 foot tall. Not even, probably bigger. And what it comes with is this little wallet. It's not little at all, Leah. This is, I'm assuming, like a wallet. I'd probably use it as like a little makeup bag. Because, you know, I'm always on the go. I need to touch up my makeup. But 10 out of 10 quality. It does feel a little, it is a little plasticky. but I do not mind. This is up close and personal. This is everything that, all the details, and it's really cute. I could just throw my wallet and my phone in here, my keys, and call it a day. On the inside, it does come with one little bag. This is the tag. If you guys can see, my lighting is just very ratchet. And then this would probably be like for your phone or anything you could put in here. And honestly, this bag is 10 out of 10. It is adorable. I love the pink interior. So I plan on using this to go out and do like just running errands because I like to look cute. So this is my body next to the whole bag. It is huge, but it is so cute. I've always wanted one of these and I finally do. Oh my god, this is adorable. I love it. I love, love, love. I definitely want to bling it out. The handles right here, that would look adorable. And like the little buckles right here, I'm a bling girl to the max. Alright guys, and that was today's quick little video. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Make sure you guys follow me on social media, and all their information will be in the description box below. And grab yourself a cute purse because you deserve it, girl. Thank you all so much for watching, and make sure to hit subscribe and like this video to see more girly pink glittery videos. And I'll see you in the next one. I hope you all have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye dolls. Mwah. Thank you.